Adding or customizing a footer in WordPress allows you to include essential information like copyright notices, navigation links, or widgets. Here's how to do it. Add footer using widgets. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, Widgets. Look for the footer widget area. Drag and drop widgets like text, custom HTML, or navigation menu into the footer widget areas. Save your changes, and the content will appear in the footer section of your site. Edit footer using the customizer. Navigate to Appearance, Customize. Look for the footer section. Customize options like text, colors, and layout. Save and publish your changes. Add footer using page builders. If you're using a plugin like Elementor, go to Templates, Theme Builder, Footer. Create a new footer design using the drag and drop editor. Assign the footer to display across your site. Edit footer code. Navigate to Appearance, Theme File Editor. Edit the footer.php file to add custom code.